so unique. That's what you are. Lingerie reflecting off the mirror on the bar. Category sexy, I'm one of one. I'm the I'm number one. I'm the only one. Don't even waste your time trying to compete.
Let's run some errands with mommy. Hi guys. Hi. Welcome back to my channel, guys. I was eating. Hi guys. I don't have, well, I do have, it broke my thingy. Imoto ibekwe ku reverse ngibani obepaka izolo. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Ongeza, but you can call me City Mom because I'm a mother of 3 handsome boys. If you've been here, thank you so much for the love and support, and to my new subbies, thank you so much for joining the family. Thank you guys. I'm running errands with my mom. So before they leave, so I'm taking her to all those places. Yeah, no uncle one. Let me reverse. Bye. The reverse. Ugogo sacabuza abazukulu bakhe kodwa uthi si late. Guys, let's run our errands with my mom. This intro is not working. I'm just starting the vlog and nangumalume nimbona wokugcina. Bye guys. Guys, we've been here for like I think it's over an hour now at Ndonlendo Mando's. Let me show you guys. I don't know if you can see. It's some place where they buy parts as a motor. So I think my mom is looking for a part a motor. I don't know which one, but yeah. Yo, I've been sitting in the car posting. I've been sitting in the car posting and thinking, hi, bayeza. I'm like, hi, guys. La hambi ixesha. Akusenani. Because wow. Huh? Kunini uhlela? Ayigeke.
Mamela, ikhona esiyifumeneyo. Bandithumelela lo mfana uthi that's not the one.
Oh.
So wayithatha wathi ikhona enye esakhutshwa emotweni. Sisalindele ke ngoku ekhutshwe emotweni.
Yo,
hayi umuntu uhleli shem.
hayi bandla. Taxi noba yeCorona?
EyeCorona. Siye siyoJ. Masiyena siyoJ kubalulekile masiyena.
Phofu andikhohlwanga more than uba bendingacingi uba uzoyithatha. Inyama ze-chicken imbiza zimbini abantu banintsi. Why?
Andithi one pot chicken with rice.
Oh, guys, I'll come back to show you the final products. And uzeli engathi ndingalala ndidonse ubude ubuthongo. Kodwa nkosi yami lestima singaka. It's literally the same thing, guys. Sibaningi la endlini. So what happened?
You want this? You want this?
Kwenzekeni ubanzi? Omnikeze okudla. Yo. Okay, hi guys. Hi. Guys, I have 3 packages. It's 1 package. Ne? It's 1. When I ordered, I made 1 package. But then now they've just delivered and it's 3 packages. I don't know why. So I quickly want to show you guys what I got. And then I'm gonna go take a shower. We are running some errands again with mom. So yeah. Oh, I hope these PJs they fit Sana. I got my the quality le. Huh? I got these pajamas for myself. I hope they fit Sana because ebengekho double XL. Ebengekho double XL, so I took these. And then I took these my slippers because and now my slippers they look nice. Let me fit them. Perfect. They fit. This is for Ulubanzi.
Wow!
Okay, it's a 3 set, guys. Let me show you. It's like this. You want Z3? You can take 1. It's a head. Nama.
This.
You want this?
Yes.
Okay. And then you're welcome, baby. And then it's black with
It's
and then brown. We're gonna give Mhlengi.
Mama.
Okay, 1 for Mhlengi, 1 for Oguhle, and 1 for Lubanzi. Oguhle, give Lubanzi that one when I take her, and then give Mhlengi A1.
I like the white one.
You like the white one? Order again. It's fine. I'll order. Give him that one for now. Take the brown one or the black one. Then order is up.
You
Guys, I got Lubanzi. Lubanzi! I got Lubanzi some socks.
Mom?
Come. I got you socks.
Socks?
Yes.
Wow. Okay.
There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Mabel I5. I got him some socks and yarn.
Wow.
Let's continue. Do you guys like them?
Yes.
Okay. Andikhombi ivela kahle anathi okuhle.
Yes.
This is the same dress, you guys know it. I just took large and I took black. I'm gonna take that one to my, it's this one. Ooh, I think I'm gonna love this black. And also it's large. Do you have ropes extra large? Sana? No. So I took this dress, guys. You already know it. I have it. I'm gonna take it to my tailor. I piece, and then yeah. And then what else? I got this black dress. I don't think I wanna fit these things, guys. Like I'm so tired, but when I'm wearing them, I'll say this is the one that I got from Shein. I got this dress. Can't wait to fit and see if Ian Lingan. Oh, I got this jersey for Lubanzi. I got him this. I love jerseys. I love jerseys. Abantwana, guys. Oh, this is so cute. Yes. Now do Tangal.
Yes.
ezaseshein uyabona uba it's good quality.
Yes.
Okay, ndizokuthengela ke.
Better than Woolworths.
No, it's the same quality as Woolworths, trust me. Because when uthanda Woolworths, but I'm gonna buy them. Uyazibona uba zinhle. Ngeke usho uba ithengwa nge-Woolworths, yebo? Ungacomplain-ke.
Red and white for Christmas.
Yalo wena ukuhlela ufuna impahla zase-Woolworths. Oh, this is for Lubanzi too. It's oh, this is so cute. Zinhle ne?
Yeah, that's a nice set.
Ne? Okay, on my next Shein order, ngizofakela zakho na. Actually, I did buy you something. Let's check on this. Okay, there's one. Oh, these are socks for me. Yes. Umnikela umhlenge yakhe?
Yeah.
Okay. I got these socks. Winter is coming. I just need socks, guys. Like,
What?
I just need socks because
Big?
winter is coming. Let's see. I think I remember taking this skipper for when I wanted to check the quality. Let me see. When you have a lot of clothes.
No.
Lot of clothes.
What I do?
I remember taking this skipper for when. Hey, Bo.
What?
That's for me. This is for me. This is for Gogo. I took this for Gogo. Sikhona okuhle.
Let's go.
Kodwa zange ngisi-check out khona iskipper esi-black and white. I was like, this would look nice,
No
nice
touch
for
goggles.
okuhle. Ngizobheka kahle ya.
This is black inside. No.
I-tracksuit. Oh, guys, I took this dress for my mom. I don't know if it will fit. I took this dress for her for the graduation, just in case. I knew she would have
Yes,
something to
fine.
wear or buy something to wear. But I saw this dress. I was like, this dress would look nice for my mom. I don't know if she'll like
Oh.
it.
Should I go show her?
Yeah, bomnikeza xelela uba ndimthengele kushini akayilinganisi. If she doesn't like it, ayibuyise ndithi ndisenda.
I like this.
And then I got this oh, it's pajamas again. I think I'm buying my pajamas are warm because winter is coming, because these and then I bought these pajamas.
Okay.
I bought these pajamas. Ooh, these ones, they're big. I think they will fit nicely. I also like the material of these ones. Gentlemen, please go. Mhlengi,
Go.
Mhlengi and Banzi, I bought you these.
Okay.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
And this.
What?
And this.
Okay. Okay, go put them in the dining room.
Nasi okuhle. Nasi ngiyakhumbula ngifaka iskipa ebese black and white, and I was like, esi skipa sizomlingana sizokufanele. I liked it. What do you think?
That's nice.
Is it nice?
I wanna fix
Guys, I
it
got this t-shirt from Sihle ne?
very much.
Uyabona uba sizomesha ke nesigqoko lesi semnyama sithathile sikalubanzi. Asukulingana nje isigqoko, why you forced? Eh? I'll buy you your sizes. Angeke ngize ngikuthengele, I promise ngizokufakela. But it's fine, sithathe. This is nice, ne? Oh, I'm so happy about these pajamas, guys. These ones. Because I think they're actually gonna fit. And then I got this. Why kungumzansi kuphela? Oh. Kwangiphinda ke lokho.
Forgot to buy the other one.
Kwangiphinda lokho kwase Forever. Forever, I thought I was buying them. I thought I was buying uvale emnyango wena Sam. Oh.
Did the same as me twice.
Son, I thought it's ish, guys. inomzansi wayo. Kanti why kufanele into separate? Guys, you buy pants and top. Why are they doing that? I actually thought andithatha guys, that's everything I got. Let me just fit and see if it's gonna fit. That means on my next order funeke ndithenge umzansi walapha because ndifuna the whole tracksuit iphelele. It fits. Yeah, I just need to get umzansi wakhona ke. Inhle. Sinjani iskipa sakho?
It's so warm.
I'm taking warm things now because winter is coming. Isami siphelele sikushoda amalanga amancane iphela. Sikhulu usaziba lo? It's actually for 12 years.
I'm 12.
Yes, you are
No,
12.
it fits me well, but
Do you think it's big? Izoba yinhle nejini emnyama. Come show people.
Okay, so should I put on the hat too?
You can if you want to.
Let me take. Yes, so I like black and white, by the way. So
Oh,
This-
is it? I
yeah.
didn't know.
it's my favorite combo for clothes. So
Is it?
this is
It's
my
nice.
favorite.
That's why until party jini yakho emnyama.
Yeah, I do.
I
have
knew
it.
what I bought you this t-shirt.
Yeah.
Okay.
So thank you for
You're
this.
welcome.
These.
You're welcome.
And
You're welcome, guys. Let me go. Let me fit these things, and my mom fit that dress while I figure out on Shein if I only took this only. Then yeah. But anyway, yeah, it is what it is, guys. Let me go bath, no shower, and we'll continue with the vlog. Kulungile, bye. Go back a bit. I wanna show them. Hayi bosuphuma lubanzi.
I said send back to back.
Oh, yabona why intending as a camera yam. Guys, I want to show you the outfit. Ambela nana. Please move back a bit. Come this side now.
amanzi. Hey, so awuze necup yamanzi.
Yes, you look nice.
Ndiyakhala zive.
Huh? Do you like it? Okay, abonxiba le enye ijezi. Abonxiba le enye.
Just go.
Mhle ngasithanda isinqwazi. Guys, I like the set. It looks so cute. Done taking a shower, all dressed up. Ugh, I love these things because I don't have to band the iron. Okay, I think maybe beating iron, but I bonagad. But nonetheless, we are done now and we are going. Guys, we are here now in these offices. So,
Please go. I don't want to disturb you.
okay, thank you.
Electricity phayana. Okay, ndithe phaa ko-20 emveni koba seyitshonile lo bhuti ndaya eBramfontein ndayobaxelela uba njengoba benimane
It's time. It is time. When you are sad. Bye. Hayi boningaye emgaqweni. Zaze zayikhoza ihavoc lezi imoto. Hayi bayelinda abantwana kuphithizela imoto. Ngenani lubanzi ngenani lilitha ngenani umthuthu yintoni le?
Wena lubanzi kwedini, bye-bye.
Oh, ayikho kubanda. Umalume uyandifakela imoto.
Ihlangu zami zonke
Oh,
okuhle.
zi-double check ngoba bazothi bazifakile ungazifumani. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. I need a new car, guys. Please watch the ads. Are you staying behind?
Yes.
Okay. Ndala. Banzi, are you staying with mommy? You're gonna stay with mommy?
You're gonna stay with Sia.
Are you going?
I go
You're not. You're gonna stay with mommy. You and Oguhle are gonna stay with mommy.
We're gonna go with mommy.
Ngithatha icup.
Thank you, madam. Uzisaphi ikhapu zabantwana? Ekade ubanzi iphi?
Ngithathile.
Uyisaphi ikhapu kade ubanzi elapha eGoli? Ubanzi. Uzithathelani ikhapu? Isonke usisaphi?
Zikhona esinye pha.
Hayibo.
Zikhona 2 loaves per and a half.
Are you right? Na 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 na. Don't worry, imoto enkulu gogo usazoyithenga manje. A big car is coming. There's no more school fees. School fees asekho iyezi imoto manje. Hayi besisho malume sase after. Yo. Hayi kabi. Sabizo sasikole kudlalo lapho. Bye guys. Nizofika nini emakhaya kodwa niyalala shame niye nihla nilale ne. Akulaleki?
Hayi akulaleki.
Why nisuke nibaninzi?
Isonka masephambili.
Hayi susaphi isonka. Hayi. Uthe nizosidinga apha endleleni uthenga noba ama chips andiyazi.
Ngitsho lo nto lo.
Siyeke ngoba kukhona abantwana.
Bambani lo, uyabona lo.
Bye guys. Bye malume.
What? What behind you?
Uzobathwala ke nihambe kakuhle.
Asihambe kakuhle.
Bye. Bye bye. Say bye to the vlog. Yintoni ngokuphethe?
Chia seed.
Uhleli uphethe izinto.
I bought i-chia seed. Ngifuna ukuslima kanyana kancane.
What's wrong? You wanna go with Gogo?
Eh?
Hey, we're not invite them.
Bye. Hayi bulu
Ngena
bantu
ngasemva.
Lubanzi, you gonna stay with mommy. Uzoyibeka phi uyinike ugogo ke ngoba wena uyazazi buli xeleki.
Yebo.
Come.
Khawuleza. Ungafaka noba kula.
Eish.
Bye bye. Say bye bye Banzi.
Bye bye Banzi.
Bye bye Banzi.
Eish.
Say I'm gonna come down with mommy. Sana bheka ke le camera wayengafuna ihlale kuanathi. Uyabona le part le i-camera le once yalimala okanyanqwa njengoba nje it's game over for the camera.
Ingathi ngcono anathi bezofaka bhetere ngoba mina andinaso
oyazi i-camera.
ibheke yami
Uyibeke
Hayi izohlala kahle ugogo ngomntotshana.
ifake capping hole kongcono ngizothenga isikhwama sayo ndiyibeke safe.
Hi guys.
So nje we moving baba.
Bye.
Bye guys. Okay.
Okuhle ungawulibali umgqomo masokuthathile.
Bye villagers.
My panty. Sipse?
Good morning guys. Para. But anyway, my firstborn uhambile. Ugodukile. I'm left with 2 kids because schools are not yet opened. I mean, so after 2 weeks, I'm gonna go home. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. I'm saying, guys, after 2 weeks, I'm gonna go home. Hambisa abantwana laba bayi-2 they need to bond with mommy and stay with mommy. And then I'm gonna take them home. Ulubanzi besekhaya efuna uhamba. Besekhaya efuna uhamba ulubanzi. When I tell you guys that this child is happy at home, I'm sure ngicabanga ukuthi ngiqamba ngaka. Yo. Okay, we'll catch up. Hi guys. Hi. I am coming. Guys, I'm so happy. I'm a perfume ayaphela. There were one new perfumes. This one is finished and this one niyabona incuzane. Okuhle. Cela ungilahlele. Phelile.
I forgot to put on mine.
Oh, your perfume.
Deodorant.
Do you want your perfume? Do you want me to buy your perfume?
Expensive.
Expensive.
Yes.
Guys, I'm gonna wear. Oh, I'm taking them to. Guys, it is so late. Let me show you the time, guys. Like, kids are so random. Nebona kuyobetha u-3. Kuyobetha u-3 and uOkuhle said he wants to go to Monte Casino to go play those games. I think it's because on his birthday, he initially wanted to go play those games, but then that him now, why do you want to do something that you've done before and you always do? Casino, you play the same games. And then he looked for something else. He found the bouncing what. Then we went and did that. So I think uyakhalela ukuyenza because ogo eyifuna, yabo? And then now I just convinced him to, I mixed it with this one. I convinced him now, even this one, guys, say yaphela. Yo, love it for me, Sana. Akaphele, yo, akaphele. My tray is iyahlikela kancane. So, anyway, I don't wanna make this too long because we're already late. So I said to him, let's do bowling because I don't remember. I think when I did bowling in Makaya, I was with my friends, not with my kids. So I don't remember. I don't think he knows. He knows what bowling is, but he's never done it. But utakafunu yenza. So I think when we get there, there's on convince, but let's just play it. We experience it. Then if you don't like it, it's fine. We'll never do it again. You know, I just want you to experience it. Ulubanzi, ufake amakausi wakhe ebhekini yami. I don't know why, but andifuna uxabana naye. So let me put them back. So yeah, we'll see. If akayifuni naxa sisifika phayana ulobethe akafuna ukuyenza, then it's fine. We'll just play the games because he just wants to play games. But let's go. I'm wearing these. Let me show you guys. I think I'm all over the place because ndifuna uhamba. Like, actually, let me show you guys on the mirror. I'm wearing this shirt. Ndayifaka ne-leggings because I want to be comfortable. I'm going with kids. So, nje. And bengafuna ukunxiba set. Sure. Let's go, guys. But also another thing I love about my kids, they get tired very fast. 1 hour, 30 minutes to 2 hours, it's enough for them. So I know by 5 o'clock, which is fine. So yeah, we are. I think I want to take them out. Because next week it's the last week. In fact, 14. So yeah, let me stop yapping. Guys, the mirror is so dirty, so I don't know if, but you guys can see. This is what I'm wearing. This is what I'm wearing. Very nice, very comfortable. So, yeah, mama oyodlalisa abantwana. Okay? Exactly. Banzi, what are you wearing?
It's this.
This. Okay. Nansi yakhe OOTD. Into awuzinxibileyo zakho, they are so warm. You would swear ba singcolanga esisipili ngolubanzi. Guys, this is how we look. Masambeni. Yes, we're gonna buy it when we come back, Nana. Let's go play games first, okay? Even ikusasa bekuzogcwala. Okay, Lila. Guys, the way we got lost looking for the car up until I decided, you know what, let me just tell the securities we can't find Lubanzi, hlala phansi and put on your seatbelt. Indlela esilahleke ngayo dingasazi banibhake phi. Guys, kwaze kwabuhlungu inyawo, kwaze kwagcwala. Ha, guys, Banzi, please sit down. Sike saya casino ne, sayodlala ama games I think twice, but andikaze ndiye kugcwele kanje. Yo, guys, it's holidays. Bad idea, but guys, besizothini because they wanted to go play. Like, yes, it was a bad idea, but yo. Anyway, guys, let's look for food and then we'll drive home. It's 6 o'clock now. I thought we were gonna be there for like an hour, but yeah, that didn't happen. But let's just look for something to eat. I think the ones that drive through, yeah. I wanted to get iPanarotis phayana ndangayibona indawo yepizza bese ngikhathele ngibhurekile nje inyawo zami zibuhlungu guys besezifutha. But yeah, I'll do the update kahle when I get home. Kulungile ke, bye. Ukhathele inoba ngalama suit obowakhe. Is it nice? Thank you. Cheers. Oh my god, guys, I am so tired. We just got home and I ate, the kids ate. I think Ogutla is still eating at Cameroon. Ulubanzi ukile. Yeah, we're shilling and pisa one toes I can also. I'm so tired, guys. Yo, guys, I didn't know ukuthi ukuba sestradeni nabantwana nge-weekend kuvalwe izikolo. Ha, never again. I'll never do that again. My feet zibuhlungu. I want to take off these clothes, everything, go take a shower, angishayela amanzi ndilale. And also I want to close off this vlog because I just don't want to drag it anymore and I don't know, and wait for what to happen because I'm not gonna have anything. I am not gonna have anything. I'll probably have something on the 15th. I think that's when I'm gonna start a new vlog. So yeah, guys, let's close this one now. The house is not too quiet, but it's quiet now. It's better than what it was, guys. It was so noisy. It was so paranoid. Abantwana babegijima ephasejini ispili. Yo, I kept on shouting, guys, anudlalela ephasejini abanye. Yo. To think I have 3 kids, it shocks me all the time. Like, I saw a video ka Rihanna and she said she doesn't remember meet abantwana by 4. She was like, I have 4 kids. When? How did this happen? Like, sometimes I'm like, are these all my kids? Like, when and how did we get here? It's like, I don't even remember when I was pregnant. But, ngabam, bonke, boy 3. I feel like I'm too young to have 3 kids. I feel like I'm but anyway, let me stop yapping about having too many kids because growing up I used to say I'm gonna have 5 kids. Like my OG friends who are no longer friends with me now, they would know that legends of by 5. Like that but guys, I'm gonna have 5 kids. But okay, that didn't happen. So, and I'm okay with that. But yeah, guys, let me close up the vlog and I'll see you guys on my next one. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I know it was short. I know we didn't do a lot. My family went home and yeah, but it's okay. I'm happy I'm with my kids. Well, not all of them. Anna Tuambile Ute, he needs a break and he's going home. I don't know when he's coming back, but he did take his laptop so that he can start applying and stuff. And yeah, guys, let me stop yapping. I'll see you guys on my next one. Kulungileke, bye.
But coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you